In this lecture, we will briefly familiarize ourselves with some of the available Cypress documentation. We will first access the following URL. And once we've navigated to this given URL, now click on the API tab. So the API button here, click on that specific button. And if we inspect the page, you'll see a table of contents. If we scroll down, we'll see various links which are available to us. Now, if we inspect the command section, you can see a list of pre-built Cypress commands. For example, if we scroll a little bit down, you'll see a link for the click command. So if we click on this specific link, it's going to provide us with details about this specific command. For example, it gives you a description, which is click a DOM element. Then it shows you the syntax. For example, click, you can pass options, and you even can pass positions, whether it's X and Y coordinates, etc. So these are the many ways that you can use this specific command. And if we scroll down, you'll see lots more information. For example, the usage, so how to use this specific command. For example, the following cwire.get will find an element based on the following class, and then it will click on that specific element. So if we go back, let's have a look at another example. So you can see there's tons and tons of different types of commands. So if we click on double click, you can see the description. It says double click a DOM element, and it also provides you with similar information, such as double click, you can pass a double click with options, and it also shows you the usage as well, and incorrect usage. So each page, each command is presented with its own page, which is really, really useful because it will show you different ways that you can use a given command and even ways how to not use a given command. So let's go back and we'll look at one more example. So if we scroll down, let's go with the type command. So as you can see, that's the name of the command. It's given us a description. So type into a DOM element. You can see you can type in text. You can also type text and options. And it's also showing you the same information as with the other commands, such as a usage and incorrect usage, and the arguments which you can pass. So you can even pass in, for example, down arrow, enter, so keyboard keys. There's a lot that you can do with the different Cypress commands which are available. So before moving on to the next lecture, I highly recommend that you access the given URL and just familiarize yourselves with some of the key Cypress commands.